Oh, hi there, guys. I wonder where my dog can really be. I better go find her. I'll be right back. Oh, found me, dog. Whoa. Okay, come here to your mama. Come here. Come here, girl. No, come. Good girl. Not you, no. The blue golden retriever. My dog is really little. She's right here. I'll show you. I'll pick her up and show you. Come on, girl. Say hi to camera. Hi, camera. And hi, friends. Where are you? I need to get something with me. There. Go. There. Now you could see me. Perfect. Yeah. I'm a little bit taller than her, so. I have high heels, but I lost them. I wonder where I'll find them. Oh, and here's my pretty tiara. Oh, it's time for us to go to the ball. My friends aren't here yet. So they'll be here in a minute. In a minute, I think, but I don't know. Dog. Nala. Yes. My dog's going to be right back. Yeah, I'm going to be right back.